the one who knows the dance. I'm the one who's got the prance. I'm the one who wears the pants. I wear the pants.
Hello. I have been reviewing my previous work, and I think that I should burp while watching it. Everyone, watch my throat when that happens. I have a feeling that it vibrates. Right now, I'm wearing these pants.
Wait for it.
That was twice the burping, yeah. Okay, wait.
You do the face thing. Remember on that one video? The girl does the face? That was funny. No, you cut your teeth and do it. Aren't you beautiful? Oh, so beautiful.
I feel clear.
How about you?
Enough of that. Wow, go ahead. I'll have the camera for a second. Watch this. Fabulous, people. Anybody want to see my videotaper? It's on zoom, it's on zoom. Zoom, zoom, zoom. Other way. See if I can do this.
Her is just exercising her early morning burp ritual. So we're still.
As you can see, I just woke up.
Yeah, we're still in our pajamas. Pretty great. Good lord. What?
Stir! Squirt! Sizzle! Everyone, let's make giggies!
No.
They've seen that video before, Jake. They want to hear it now.
Make a video sponsor. This burping video.
Oh, what happened? Okay.
Grand finale?